For over 50 years, one name has defined luxury SUVs around the world: the iconic Range Rover. It all started in 1970 when Land Rover introduced the very first Range Rover. It was simple, rugged, and revolutionary, combining off-road capability with everyday comfort in a way no SUV had done before. This model was produced for 26 years, allowing for a gradual evolution when it came to upgrading interior features and powertrains. By the 90s, the Range Rover had evolved into something more refined. 4 doors, upgraded interiors, and new technology transformed it from a utility vehicle into a true luxury SUV, without sacrificing its legendary off-road performance. In the early 2000s, the third generation Range Rover raised the bar again. With advanced air suspension, a more powerful engine lineup, and premium materials, it set a new standard for comfort and capability. Then a major breakthrough came in 2012, an all-aluminum body. This innovation made the Range Rover lighter, stronger, and more efficient, while improving both performance and fuel economy. Today's Range Rover is the most advanced yet. With cutting-edge technology, plug-in hybrid options, and a minimalist, luxury-focused interior, it delivers a driving experience that's as smooth on city streets as it is unstoppable off-road. At Land Rover Naperville, you can experience this evolution for yourself. From timeless design to modern innovation, the Range Rover isn't just an SUV. It's a legacy, and it's still evolving. Explore the latest Range Rover models by visiting us at Land Rover Naperville or view our inventory online at landrovernaperville.com.